this video we are going to take a look at the Zigbee LCD Smart Temperature and Humidity sensor from the SONOFF with the code SNZB-02D. This module is a very useful and lovely LCD temperature sensor and humidity sensor. You can use it on a wall using the two-sided double-coated tape. Insert it on the wall, or just remove this base and use the mechanical base on the back and move it on the table and put it on the table. It uses the Zigbee protocol, and the Zigbee protocol, and it can show you the humidity and temperature on the display, and also send it to the Zigbee hubs from the SONOFF or other brands, because this is a Zigbee 3 module, and you can monitor and track the changes in the humidity and temperature, and also define different scenarios in case of different actions for the low temperatures, high temperatures, low humidity or high humidity, and so on. If we remove the battery cover, you can see that the device will be turned on, and we will see the temperature. Because it was in my hand, maybe it is hot, and you can see the indicator that it is too hot. There is a battery intake indicator, wireless, that shows the Zigbee connection and also Bluetooth connection on the display. And also you can see the humidity level. Maybe it is changing fast because I am using this in my hand, not in a real installation. It is one of the most precise devices with exact results, and you can monitor the changes in the humidity and temperature inside the Everik application, and also on the SONOFF NS panels. As you can see here in the panel, you can see the percent of the change and track the changes. Also, you can pair it with the panel, and I want to show you. For sample, start pairing, and then I press the pairing button on the back of the device. And when it goes to the pairing mode, you can see the pairing mode is turned on, and it can be discovered by the panel. So we can wait for the panel to recognize the devices, because normally it searches for more than one device, and then it says that okay, I can find the temperature and humidity sensor and add this, and we can press the finish button, and now you can see the device in the NS Panel Pro, and you can read the results on this. And also, after some time of using this device, you can see the graphs of changing of the temperature and humidity. Also, the interesting thing is that you can define different scenarios and actions through the panel or the Everik application for control the other devices related to the temperature and humidity control. Thanks for watching this video. We will see a mix of these devices in action later in another series of videos. Thank you.